Very good, my friends. In today's video we are going to see very quickly what are the 3 things of maintenance that you need to do to this bike to maintain it properly working. I do 3 points of maintenance: lubrication of the chain, pressure of the wheels, and adjustment of the brakes. This is the 3 things I used to do every 2 months more or less on the bike. How much I use the bike? More or less 12 to 15 times every month. I do around 5 kilometers on the normal trips, and when I go for the weekend maybe I do 20 to 35 kilometers, something like that. I use it quite a lot. I usually use it to commute from where I park the car to the work. Okay, let's loop all the moving parts, the chain here. I like to do here as well, and here and here. Okay. It is a good idea to drive around a little bit and ride 10 seconds on each speed. The wheels pressure should be between 2.5 and 3.1 bars, so I'm going to set the inflator to 3 bars. Okay, it was at 2.14 bars, so it was quite okay, but let's put it to 3. Just few seconds and ready to ride. Okay, now I'm going to adjust the brakes. So the first thing that I'm going to do is to set this to the almost minimum position. Okay, let's place it like this, and now the other one. Now it's very loose. I'm going to do first the rear brake. I'm going to insert a 5 iron key here. I'm going to go to the other side and I'm going to look there, okay, until I get the brake pad next to the disc, but without touching the disc. So I'm going to screw a little bit. Let's make sure the wheel is still free. And we repeat the operation on the other wheel. See the gap between the disc and the pad that I'm pressing here is less than 1 millimeter. 1 millimeter now, more or less. I'm going to screw a little bit more. Okay, now it's more tight, but if we like it even more tight, we can still adjust here, so every time we do like this will be more tight, less movement. Okay, this is quite wide, so I can do like this. Okay, readjusting this one here, and now it's more tight. I hope this video has been useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video. You want more info about the bike, you will find some links on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in next video.